Doing? Welcome back to Totacoin, your one-stop shop for all things cryptocurrency. Your host will be me, Ventwinkle Ripple. I hope today is going well for you. A new age has dawned on Monday, January 20th. The fact that Trump will be in office for a further 4 years has helped the cryptocurrency market. After a brief period of concern, things are finally looking better. I have a lot of direct messages right now. Everyone was quite concerned last night. How much lower are we going to go? What's going on here? I believed this to be the Trump pump. You know what? As previously stated, disregard the markets for the time being and return later. Kindly come back. What do you think would happen if you took my advice and took a moment to look away before going back to the markets? Everything is operating normally once more. Everything is back to normal. The price of Bitcoin has risen to an all-time high. After briefly falling to $2.09, XRP is currently trading about $3.30 cash. Cheers if you purchased the dip. You should absolutely see the film that generated a lot of discussion last night if you missed it. We discussed how retail is priced out of cryptocurrency and bought out of it. Check that out. Look at retail right now. If retail were to enter the coin markets, it would be the truth and nothing else. Their lives aren't getting much better for them. So, congrats to everyone who attended. If you arrived before Thanksgiving 2024, you're in a wonderful place because many people like RIP. That is untrue. For $3 we can still acquire more P. The majority of people do not utilize their $23,000 annual job retirement plan to its fullest extent. Let's figure out what someone would have if they made a $23,000 investment in XRP at this time. Just 700 people will profit if we assume that XRP will hit $10 during this bull cycle. The large XRP earnings are no longer accessible. Bitcoin's huge profits are over. A lot of individuals have ideas, but what if they made a $100,000 investment? What? The average person lacks the $100,000 necessary to invest in Bitcoin. The organizations presently oversee these marketplaces. Even if you pay $100,000, they have control over the direction of these markets and assets. If you invest $100,000 in Bitcoin, you are contributing $100,000. If the price of Bitcoin rises between $200,000 and $300,000 during this market boom, I would offer you one. Compared to what you could have made if you had purchased Bitcoin, the $200,000 to $300,000 you made is not a significant sum of money. At $10,000, $17,000, $24,000 or even $50,000 for example. Don't forget to listen to it because the days are over. This episode contains the video from yesterday. Let's talk about the costs. Let's talk about Trump. What's going on? On his first day he will sign almost 200 executive orders. Now take a seat back and unwind. First, let's look at Bitcoin, which is worth $108,169. In the past day, it has increased by 3.63%, 3,365 is the price of Ethereum. The price of XRP is $30.32, and it is up 6.9%. Despite the 8.73% gain, there is still room for more growth. At $3.7 trillion, the market for cryptocurrencies is growing in value. Soon it ought to approach $4 trillion. As I have always said, I think there will be a significant price increase the first week of February. This was shared on Twitter by me. Following a market decline, there is typically a temporary lull followed by another rise. On Friday the 17th I shared it. On the 19th you saw the market decline. What happened next? We swiftly got back to these levels. I'm forecasting for the upcoming week. No later than the first week of February. The price of Bitcoin is probably going to rise significantly, reaching between $115,000 and $125,000. Let's make this clear. I have observed a lot of people talking about the final wave is this one, the fifth wave is this one. We refer to these as conical blow-off tops. No, that's not right. No, that's not right. There will probably be a 100% increase, but there might also be a decline around tax season. We've already talked about this. We probably won't see price increases again following the fall, around tax season if this was the fifth wave and the peak of a significant price hike. What I'm saying is that, in the first quarter of the year, a lot of people think the run will end. That is untrue. We've already talked about this. To educate everyone, we shall continue to talk about this. How bad will the fix be when the drop occurs? We'll wait and see. It won't be bad in my opinion. A lot of individuals think that XRP will return to $1 or perhaps 30 cents. You all know it won't happen. It will not occur. We can anticipate that the last significant increase will peak in the second or third quarter of this year after this correction takes place. I warned you of what would occur. During this market slump around tax season, a lot of people will sell their stocks and probably never buy again, and that will be the end of it. They'll be sold out too quickly. Avoid being like those individuals. For some time now, this channel has been providing you with information about what to expect and what to strive for. Don't fall for the tricks that people are trying to pull on you. Why they are distributing it is beyond me. Seeing these guys as market veterans truly irritates me. People who have never taught TA in their lives have been telling others this for a while, and now they suddenly believe they are the greatest TA master in the world. People are injured like this. Their fans are completely destroyed. Don't fall for it. Greetings to all. Bitcoin hit a record-breaking high. That was this morning's tweet. Well done. The markets will recover if you simply take your eyes off them for a few hours. Stronger, quicker, and the mood of the entire market changes to one of bullishness. Check out this digital asset invest video. Here is President-elect Trump at his National Building Museum banquet the previous evening. Check this out please. Look for Stuart Alderati and Brad Gallinghouse. Let me give you a hint. Now, are they visible? Let me pause for a second. Stuart is here, Brad is coming. It's obvious why they were asked, but I'm not sure who this person that showed up is. According to the circulating rumor, they all gave Trump money. He invited them to the White House for dinner. Okay, that sounds fantastic. Why are they at the Eve's supper and why is he there? Trump is reportedly going to discuss Bitcoin as a national reserve today. Isn't it intriguing to talk about Bitcoin hitting 125? During his speech, please ask Trump to include Ben Clay, he'll probably bring it up. The XRP chart is shown here. As you can see, the crash that we foresaw on Friday actually occurred on Sunday. It was on its way, we said. For WIC we fell to about 283. What came next? Our break has resumed. There is still more space for improvement, but we are making headway. This is the 4-hour period chart. The one-day plan seems even better, so let me share it with you. I want to tell you the truth. Take a look at this lovely thing. This green suggests a potential downward shift. This is not going to work out between us in my opinion. For some time now we have maintained our above-average performance. For the upcoming day to month, the chart appears to be quite promising. And 4 hours later, we received this from the Chain AI platform in Singapore. Altura AI's decentralized business platform is now faster and more effective, thanks to the addition of Ripple's XRP. Businesses' use of AI tools for real-time tasks will be altered by this combination. Low fees and fast processing speeds are features of Ripple XRP. Including something that enhances Ethereal's AI system would be a fantastic idea. Businesses utilizing a TUA AI can conduct safe, inexpensive and almost instantaneous transactions with XRP integration. Enabling improved cross-border operations. This is a further link to the XRP system, and Ripple that demonstrates an additional use case for XRP. The price of Ethereum may increase once more if funds shift into Ethereum price spot ETFs. I am unable to bring it back to life. Last night I tweeted about it. Ethereum is going to explode up, you see. The currency has been essentially dormant. I think it will be useful for a very long time. It was rejected by many. Ethereum should not be undervalued. Don't write off Bitcoin. They still haven't run. They're preparing to run. ETH is about to skyrocket. I continue to think Ethereum will hit $12,000. Not a thing has changed. We know how this operates. Since 2017, we have been here. Our third bull wave is this one. First up will be Bitcoin. Ethereum will then function as well. The funds will then be transferred to Altcoins. Prepare yourself because the Trump pump is actually happening. This is the genuine deal, and Bitcoin will soon experience a significant increase in value. That's all I'll say. Wash your hands, please. Show each other respect and kindness. There is no longer any Ripple Van Winkle available.